Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, Bayang Karerista sa araw ng linggo. Ito na po yung request ng Bayang Karerista. Tara't pagkwentuhan po natin, Bayang Karerista, itong race number 3 para sa araw ng linggo. At dito nga po sa race number 3, meron tayong 6 entry but 5 in numbers dahil may couple entry nga po race number 2. Dito, nandito si Humble Master, Great Balls of Fire Magellan, at syempre si pangalan nito, Blue Scholar, at nandito din si Exemplary at itong si Song of Love. Tignan po natin yung mga latest run yan, reviewin po natin.
Just waiting for the starter to send them on their way. They're off and running. Or jumping in the air, Santino, he came out very awkwardly, and so too Bravery. He was very slow under stride. Exemplary going forward in the early part. Wide out Machine 2's coming across from that wider gate, and then came Where's the Door. Now the others after an ordinary getaway, Santino and Bravery, are a good way back. Now these two clear out as they run towards the 800-metre corner. It's Exemplary and Santino, and they cut away. They're about 10 in advance of Bravery, and back behind them, Where's the Door is back near the tail of the field as they run down the side. And up front, we take a look at them here. It looks like it is Exemplary going with Machine 2's. They must be 15 lengths in advance of Bravery. You can forget about Exemplary and Where's the Door, but these two going together as they come to the corner. Machine 2's the outside, Exemplary in the inside. Bravery's made up a little bit of ground. There's an absolute mile back to the rest in the straight, and they run to the 250 under a hole on the inside. Exemplary outside of him is Machine 2's doing it just as easy, and they're about 10 in advance of Bravery. Down to the wire though, it's Machine 2's. Mark Alvarez was last in, first home, and he's going to win by 3 lengths. Second, Exemplary. Third is Bravery, and a long gap then to Santino, who blew it all at the start with a win.
At yan nga ang naitala ni Exemplary sa PJC, 1.14. Ito, last November 26 lang to. Maganda rin ang preba ni Exemplary. Early is taken by The Best of My Love, followed by the rail of Great Balls of Fire, and Bloomington is racing in last. And it's still The Best of My Love, followed by Great Balls of Fire, and Bloomington is still running in third. The Best of My Love high balling in front, followed by Great Balls of Fire, and on the outside is Bloomington. And it's still Great Balls of Fire now catching the lead, followed by The Best of My Love, and Bloomington is still running at the tail of the field. And it's still Great Balls of Fire by about 5 lengths, followed by The Best of My Love and Bloomington. And last 50 meters, and finally Great Balls of Fire, The Best of My Love, and Bloomington. At yan nga yung kay Great Balls of Fire, 1.14 din siya sa 1,200. Dito naman sa MMTCI, Great Balls of Fire.
Blue Scholar, the leader, by a length and a half against Kaboom. Towards the half mile, it's Blue Scholar by 2 lengths now over Kaboom, still in second. And as they race the 4th turn now, it's Blue Scholar still in front. Closing in now is Kaboom. Blue Scholar is still the leader. And here's the challenge coming from Kaboom now on the outside. It's Blue Scholar, Kaboom matching their strides now together. 400 meters left to go. It's Blue Scholar is still ahead against Kaboom. Towards the final home turn, it's Blue Scholar by 3/4 of a length, and still in second is Kaboom. Down the stretch, Blue Scholar out by some 2 lengths over Kaboom. Blue Scholar, Kaboom closing once again on the outside, and here's the finish line, Kaboom.
At yan nga ang naitala ni Blue Scholar, 1.14 din. Last November 23 naman to. Puro 1.14 yata sila.
Magellan moving up now on the outside is Stage Performer. Stage Performer, the leader over Magellan, showing speed 1 second down on the inside. It's now Magellan. Now the leader by some 2 lengths over Stage Performer. Inside the last 800, it's Magellan. Magellan by some 3 lengths now over Stage Performer, still in second. Rounding the far turn, it's Magellan. Magellan now pulling away against Stage Performer. 1 second closing in down on the inside towards the final home turn. It's Magellan is still the leader over Stage Performer down on the inside. 100 meters to go. It's Magellan by some 3 lengths now and wins the Nevada race over Stage Performer.
At yan naman po yung kay Magellan, 1.14 din. Last November 23 din to. Magellan 1.14, halos puro 1.14 yung apat na yan. At relax na relax lang si Magellan. Nakita nyo naman, di kaya relax din manalo to bukas.
Jazz is started with Iconoclast break quick leader start. Moving up in the middle portion is Captive Moment. Then next in line is Lady Outlaw. Song of Love comes next. Then followed now by Candle in the Wind. Then going along for the first turn, we have Captive Moment. The leader leads by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside second is a Song of Love. Running by the rail third is a Lady Outlaw. Next in line now is Candle in the Wind. And a long way back to Iconoclast, who's racing in less mile distance. They traveled. We have Captive Moment enjoying a 2 lengths lead, and in second is a Song of Love. Next in line on the outside is a Lady Outlaw. Candle in the Wind comes next, and Iconoclast, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Captive Moment by a Barlink. Then moving up down on the inside now is a Lady Outlaw, and on the outside is a Song of Lamba. And as they swing for home, we have Lady Outlaw. Once again in the middle portion is a Captive Moment, and on the outside now is a Song of Love. And down the stretch they come. We have Lady Outlaw. Moving up on the outside now is a Song of Love, but it's still Lady Outlaw second. A Song of Love, then comes Candle in the Wind.
At yan nga po yung kay Song of Love, nang talunin siya dito ni Lady Outlaw last October 26 to, at nagtala siya ng 1.30 dito, Song of Love. At ito naman bayang karerista yung kay Humble Master. Last November 19, nagtala siya ng 1.19, nang talunin siya ni Sealed with a Kiss at Mikos Special. Mga kalaban din nila ngayon yan, si Humble Master. At yun nga, bayang karerista, at halos puro 1.14 nga po sila, at palagay ko magpuputputan sa harap yan, magkaubusan ako magkaubusan. Pero ako nga, kanina sa tip ko, sinolo ko nga lang yung numero 2 couple entry Magellan at Great Balls of Fire. Kayo na po ulit bahalang dumiskarte dyan kung sino pa gusto nyo pong idagdag. At hihingi nga po pala ulit ako ng suporta bayang karerista dito sa page na pinapasupport sa atin, itong classmate sa karera. So, tulungan po natin mga bayang classmate, at makakatulong din po sa atin to sa mga info sa PJC at sa Metro Manila Turf Club. Please follow po, like and share po sa classmate sa karera. Yung FB page po yan, bayang karerista, sa FB page classmate sa karera. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, at sana po nakatulong po ito sa inyong ating ginawang reviewer. At good luck po ulit sa inyo sa araw ng linggo, at shoutout po sa inyong lahat mga idol natin dyan, mga kaibigan natin, at suportahan po natin lahat ng mga vlogger. At pare-parehas lang naman din po na gusto kayong manalo, at wala naman po talagang magaling sa karera. At least nakakaroon lang po tayo ng mga idea, at naglilibang lang po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat mga idol, at shoutout po sa ating mga kaibigan, sa mga idol po natin. Good luck po sa araw ng linggo. At abangan nyo pa po yung mga ibang vlog ko dyan sa mga races. Dyan sa race number 2, sa iba pang mga races, i-upload din po natin yan. At medyo mahaba lang po kasi kaya pinuputol-putol po natin. Good luck po sa inyo.